Greetings, my name is Mursalata Muhammad. I teach at Grand Rapids Community College in Michigan. I am a full-time faculty member in the English department. I have been teaching online for the last 7 or 8 years. My goal is to improve how I deliver freshman writing composition online. I do teach literature courses, but freshman writing is the most challenging course. Over the last year, I've taken about a dozen Quality Matters workshops, and those workshops actually gave me new hope for what I could do and other faculty members can do in an online environment, especially with a course like composition, where you're teaching people basic entry-level writing and thinking skills. My hope for this training is that I become more of an asset to my colleagues at the college and helping other people train to be better, improved, and continuously learning about how to improve teaching online. Thank you, and I look forward to working with everyone in this course. I also imagine this is going to be a lot of work.